Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Rico here and we are back again with another video. So right now we're gonna be talking about Clash. So ang Clash guys is basically it is a gaming hub wherein you will be able to gain whitelist on some projects. You'll be able to talk with other communities as well, community members as well ng Clash natin. So basically, if you guys heard of the quest programs dito sa mga NFTs natin, meron tayong mga communities minsan na nagkakaroon ng quest system. For example, you have to follow, you have to like, share, comment, and interact with a tweet. Minsan meron silang tournaments. They have tournaments like any other Web2 games. They play Valorant, League of Legends, they play chess, they play Among Us. So marami tayo mga ganong events. So this Clash na community natin right now, mabasahin natin ngayon yung kanilang white paper para lang mas aware tayo kung ano nga ba meron dito sa Clash, no? So basahin lang natin, Clash here is a revolutionized skill-based gaming in the GameFi industry. From the makers of the hugely successful Skill Clash game, we've utilized our 75 years of game development experience to create a unique arena where players can compete with other than fun and engaging game for crypto. So basically, they have this game daw na nagawa before. It is called the Skill Clash game. Accumulated 75 plus years daw yung kanilang game development na experience. So that's actually a big year, no? So sobrang haba nung year na yon na naging game development experience nila. Ibig sabihin lang na ito yung team nila behind the scenes nitong Clash. Ibig sabihin, napakalayo na nang naabot. So right now, basahin natin. Second paragraph, Clash is more than just a gaming hub. Gaya na sabi ko kanina, it is a vibrant community of like-minded individuals. Our Discord community is the heart of everything we do, place where you can engage in discussion, share experiences, and stay updated with the latest news. So basically, ang Discord server daw nila is napaka-active with like-minded individual. So ibig sabihin lang nun, they have a lot of people sharing each other na mga projects na nakikita nila with the latest news, latest crypto games, Web3 games around in a different genres, no? Meron mga naglalaro doon. And ano nga bang importante dito sa Clash, guys, no? Ano nga ba ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa Clash, guys? So, papakita ko sa inyo yung free Diamond Pass mint nila. Skip na tayo sa overview nila kasi we all know naman yung kanilang platform, no? So ganun lang naman yun. They are a community, they are a gaming hub, but they are different daw kasi they have these campaigns that would like to engage with people. They want to interact with their audiences, they want to have the traction, and right now this is the simple games that they have in their platform. So ito yung mga games daw nila. Yan, kung nakikita nyo dito, future games at Clash. So they have the Solitaire, they have the Jump. Yan, so basically Solitaire, alam nyo naman yan guys, yung Jump nila is basically natalon-talon na blob natin ng mata na nakita nyo kanina. Ayun yung Jump natin, and they have the Chess, the Poker, and the Crash. So ayan, natalon-talon siya na blob na sa mga obstacles. And yung community guys, ito yung pinaka-importante natin sa community Discord natin. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, ano nga bang meron dito sa Discord server nila, no? So ito yung Discord server nila. Yan, kung makikita nyo dito, this is their announcement, and ito yung pinaka-importante dito guys. Okay, always look at the engage. Ito na agad yung sinasabi ko, always look at the engage. But before that, punta ka dito sa Alpha and Mint. So makikita nyo dito yung Alpha overview natin. So ano nga ba yung ka-Alpha overview natin? What is Clash Alpha? Your chance to experience the first product in the Clash ecosystem. Ang mangyayari daw dito is magkaka-rewards daw sila na 50 rappers among those who reach level 10 in-game and 25 spots to the top 25 players ranked by XP. This XP can only be gained with tournament hours. So itong 11, 28, 23, we are not sure if tapos na to, but you know, yung importante kasi dito guys is yung Diamond Pass. So ano nga ba Kuya Rico yung Diamond Pass? Diamond Pass is ito, babasahin na lang natin para mas clear yung info natin. Diamond Pass is a free utility-based NFT tied to the higher tier, accessible on our VIP Champions program. As our Genesis NFT, the Diamond Pass will be your first opportunity into the Clash ecosystem. So ibig sabihin daw nito, tayo daw ang magiging eligible dun sa mga future associated mints ng kanilang mga project. So meron silang mga pinapartner din na projects na right now, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo, no? So punta tayo sa quest overview. Ito yung pinaka-importante dito guys. You need to level up your account. Bakit? Bakit kailangan mo magpa-level ng account mo? Kasi guys, itong Clash list natin, meron tayong tinatawag na Clash list dito. Kung nabanggit nyo kanina yung Diamond Pass info natin, there are only 500 passes na available sa ating market. And kapag kayo ay nakakuha ng Clash list, so paano Kuya Rico makakuha ng Clash list? Kailangan mong makareach ng level, kailangan mong makareach ng top 250 on the Clash leaderboards by December 18. So Kuya Rico, ano paano naman kayo makaklaim ng leaderboard? So ito yung quest breakdown natin guys. Yung Clash Expose, ibig sabihin yung Twitter post daw. Kailangan mo daw mag-like, comment, and retweet ng post nila, which you can gain 1 point each. So ibig sabihin, pag ginawa mo yung tatlong yan, you instantly get 3 points agad. Complete this task within 15 minutes, so meron kang additional point. So basically, kapag meron silang in-announce dito sa engage dito, kiklik mo lang yan, and kita nyo dito, you have already completed the interaction on this tweet. Ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ako ng interaction, meron na agad akong points na nakuha doon. Ngayon, punta naman tayo dito, participate in our X spaces. So wala pa naman silang spaces recently. So join a community tournament, 3 points. Engage with Discord announcement is 1 point. And ito yung pinaka-importante guys. Right now, we are making a content. So basically, this is instantly 10 points agad. So if you are making a video about Clash, you are getting 10 points kaagad. Sharing an insightful post about Clash, top post will be rewarded with 5 points. 1 post maximum and quality over quantity. So ibig sabihin guys, they really wanted to have these people making a lot of content about their project. So ano nga ba Kuya Rico yung pinaka dito? Bakit nga ba kailangan namin Kuya Rico mag-join sa ganyan? Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung giveaways nila right now. And if you guys don't know, itong project nila recently, they are partnered with Overworld and Puglin. Itong Puglin na to guys is a game that is partnered with this is partnered with Animoca. They are seeded sa ating, pakita ko sa inyo na lang yung Twitter nila para mas madaling explain. Pero ang Puglin is partnered sila with Seedify, no? Incubated program sila. Na ay sa sila, under sila Animoca. Yung sa naman sa Overworld naman natin guys is napakalaking project din ito guys. So I really wanted you guys to be part of this one. Kasi Kuya Rico, bakit kailangan namin maging part guys? Look at this Overworld play. Napakadami ng traction dito. Like napakadaming hype na tao na magustong makakuha ng whitelist. Kasi guys, 0.15 yung minting nila dito. 0.15 Ethereum, which is around 17,000 to 20,000 yung minting nila. But if you guys were able to get a whitelist for this one, paldo kayo guys kapag nakapag-mint kayo nito. No, ayun lang yung masabi ko sa inyo. For sure. Kasi napakatinan nyo naman yung community nila guys. Hindi nawawalan ng taong hindi nag-i-interact sa mga post nila, even though they also have a quest about Overworld, but we will be making a content about this one soon again. But right now, this one, the Clash Overworld, meron daw 5 winners ng Overworld mamaya. 5 Overworld whitelist mamaya. Ibig sabihin lang yan guys, you guys have the chance to win this one. So kailangan nyong mag-join dito sa Discord server ng Clash. I'll be dropping down the invite link dito sa ating video, and I hope that you guys join the Clash and sumali kayo sa mga raffle nila guys. So papakita ko sa inyo before we end, papakita ko sa inyo yung ating leaderboards right now. Mag-leaderboard tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung current points natin kasi bago lang din ako, recently lang ako join, and right now we have 21 points dito sa ating Discord server. So ibig sabihin lang nito, bago daw ako makasali dito sa kanilang giveaway ng Overworld, I need to have 30 points for this one. So hindi daw tayo makakasali kapag hindi tayo level 30 dito sa Overworld natin. Okay? So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you guys learned something, and yeah, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.